Buy and hold is a long-term investment strategy in which an investor buys stocks or other securities and holds onto them for an extended period of time. Regardless of short-term market fluctuations, the goal is to take advantage of the overall growth of the market over time. The basic premise of the buy and hold strategy is that the stock market tends to increase in value over the long term, despite short-term fluctuations, and that it is difficult to time the market to buy low and sell high consistently. Instead, investors who follow this strategy buy stocks or other securities with the intention of holding onto them for a period of years or even decades. The buy and hold strategy requires patience and discipline, as it involves resisting the temptation to sell during market downturns or in response to short-term news or events. The idea is to stay invested in the market through ups and downs, with the belief that over time, the market will continue to grow and deliver strong returns. It's worth noting that the buy and hold strategy isn't suitable for every investor or every situation. It works best for those with a long investment horizon, such as those saving for retirement. Investors who need to access their money sooner or have shorter investment time frames may need to consider other strategies that are better suited to their needs.